Namaskar. Now we shall study another interesting aspect which looks quite simple, but few tricks are there. So let me explain you a simple thing which is called assignment. I'm not calling it equal to because it is basically an assignment where values assign to a memory location, which is a reference in memory, which I have named as A. Okay, so I will call it value assignment. And the operator for this can be considered an operator, and it has two operands a and 10, but actually it differs, it works a little different. We'll just see. So I would call it, this is a complete instruction or statement for Python. So this kind of assignment actually creates a statement. So there are other kinds of assignments also, we'll soon see, but this is an assignment which creates a statement, which basically creates an instruction for Python interpreter, which runs one by one. Now this A equal to 10 looks quite simple, and if I say B is equal to A, so B is referring to same place which is referred by A. So it is one and the same thing, which is referred by A. So if I print A and B both, so probably you know the answer. It will print 10 and 10, right? Now, just to explain you further, in some languages, this kind of syntax may work. That means C is first assigned as 10 and then it is printed. But what happens here? Let us see. If I run like this, then a big error comes. C is an invalid keyword argument for print. So this is not right kind of assignment. So this is invalid assignment. It is keyword argument as given by, and which is not valid in this particular case. Whenever we study the function arguments, we'll study this issue, but this is not valid, so I am commenting this line. Okay, and just remember this is a simple assignment, and for another kind of assignment we can assign another location pointing to the same location. So these are two direct thing, value assignments or location to location mapping can be done. And if I go through AI for assignment, this will tell me that assignment does demonstrate variable assignment and printing. First it assigns the integer value 10 to variable A, then assigns the value of A, which is 10, to a variable B. So assignment can be done algebraically also. Finally it prints the current value of A and B, which will both be 10, right? So with this I conclude this I will call it simple assignment. We'll show you other kinds of assignment also very soon. Please do subscribe to this channel for this kind of simple but informative videos. Thank you.